Okay. So the sky is getting real dark, and soon it's gonna be a downpour. Okay, look, another one. They have cologne in there. No, let's go in. Where's Kaylin? Alright, so Kaylin doesn't want to go in. Really? Where? Well, we're coming back. We'll be back. Can I get that one? Peking duck. We could have gone there. Got a nice old building here. Well, the cooler air is nice. I'm not gonna complain about that. Picture time. Don't look away. Here. See the tower?
Where?
The Trade Center. Oh, you can see it right from here. Alright. Oh, look. Dang it. We could have gone right here. Oh, there's plushies that way, Kaylin. Or were we in there? Was that the one we were in? Can we go look?
No.
But, so you don't really care if we find a plushie, do you? Well, you don't know. That's cool. We'll hop.
Kêu gọi con ở trên này.
Cool. Oh. You hear thunder and you hear the lightning. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
So it was in these cars.
Oh, lightning. He's so scared. Can we go get her back and her foot rubbed?
Bye.
Uh-oh. Ah, fuck noodles. Fuck noodles.
Can we get our ponchos on?
Get out of the way. That guy shut the door as soon as we left. Fuck.
Oh, there's no loiter in front of this building.
Well, we're loitering. Let's try to go up the street. It was right there, the lightning, right where your head was. Let's see if we can capture it again. Uh-oh. We got people coming to the door here. Oh, he's just leaving. Let's see if I can capture it. Oh, there was more lightning. Raindrops are dropping on my head. Keep dropping on my head. La. Now what? What are we gonna do now?
That's hail. Isn't it? That's hail.
It's hailing. Well, the air is nice. There's gonna be a flood. Wow. Holy. That was loud. Now we should go eat. Anybody hungry?
No.
Yeah, see, we should have like shopped and then ate. I'm sure we could have waited another half an hour.
Oh.
No. Like, she looks like she's soaked.
Can we go home now?
Uh-oh. He's so scared.
The water's like coming in more.
Oh, it's gonna get us. This guy is like... He's wondering what we're up to. Oh, noodles.
Wait, put the ponchos on there?
They're not gonna do much good.
You can try. The ponchos are in the back pocket. Like in the small pocket in the front.
Good thing we didn't go to the shower now. Chinatown. It's another 9/11. 6/19.
Never forget.
Open it up down there.
Well, this isn't a good place to get stuck.
You just put it on. That's an arm. That's right here. This is the wood.
Okay, no, this is the
That's the arm.
I can eat the arm. I can eat the arm.
No. Come on.
How's that the head?
Put your hand through that.
It's the wood. That is the arm. Come on.
What are you doing?
There you go.
This is awesome.
Well, you open it up first.
I'm gonna get hit by lightning. You guys get that on him.
Open the fucking bag now.
Well,
Is that her to open it?
I guess you guys get the gist at home, eh?
Now I'm gonna.
It rained.
21.
Let's go there. So, this is 5 minutes after the downpour. Not too bad, eh? No wet t-shirt contests, unfortunately. Step down. Yes, sir.